At some point, rebuilding stops feeling like a choice and starts feeling like what's left. Not because things are clear again, not because the path suddenly makes sense, but because staying where you are isn't possible anymore, and becoming who you were no longer fits. So you begin in the middle. There's no reset, no clean break, just the same ground, the same weight, and the decision to show up again. Most days don't feel different from the last. The effort repeats. The work looks small from the outside. Nothing announces that progress is happening. This is the part people rarely describe. Rebuilding isn't a moment of motivation. It's the stretch where motivation doesn't return, and you keep going anyway. Doing the same hard thing again and again, without knowing if it's enough, without proof that it's working. Some days, the only difference is that you didn't quit. That's where the pressure sits, because continuing without feedback forces an honest question. How long are you willing to keep carrying this if no one ever notices? If nothing changes quickly? If the only witness to your effort is you? There's a quiet loneliness in that. Carrying responsibility without applause, holding yourself together when no one is watching, learning how to move forward without certainty, without excitement, without a version of yourself you still recognize. The old version doesn't come back. Trying to repair it only slows things down. What actually helps is letting it go. Not with anger, not with regret, just with clarity. That version got you here. It doesn't have to take you further. What replaces it isn't stronger or better. It's steadier, less reactive, less interested in proving anything, more willing to stay with discomfort instead of escaping it. Strength shows up differently here. It doesn't ask to be seen. It doesn't rush to be understood. It settles into repetition, into effort that looks the same day after day. Rebuilding is slow because it has to be. Anything rushed would collapse under the same weight again. Nothing feels finished. Nothing feels resolved. And maybe that's not a flaw. Maybe this phase isn't about arrival at all. It's about continuing. Not because everything is fixed, but because you're still here, still moving, still carrying what needs to be carried. And tomorrow you'll do it again.